Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to tell you how to fix GeForce Experience error 0x0003. So the first step is you have to click on it and you have to type device manager. Click on device manager. So here you have to click on display adapters and you have to update your graphic driver. You have to update driver. You can browse the command for drivers, and when you click on let me pick, so your driver will be updated. So this was the first step. Now after updating your driver, you have to click again here and you type apps and features. So in here you have to find Nvidia Geforce Experience 3.23.0.074 and you have to click on uninstall. So after uninstalling, this was the second step of uninstalling the Nvidia Geforce Experience 3.23.0.74. Now after this, I will show you the last step. Now you have to go on your new tab and you type GeForce Experience. Now you have to click on download GeForce Experience. Now you have to click on download now. As you can see, our downloading has been started. Click on show in folder. Now after this, install this GeForce Experience setup, and after installing and agreeing the agreements, after all these steps, this error will be solved. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.